you ever have the hiccups? I hate the motherfucking hiccups. How do you solve the hiccups? Hiccups be gone. It's called the Hickaway. And no lie, it works. Every time I've ever had the hiccups, my wife, who gets the hiccups a lot, we keep one of these in the medicine closet. It's designed by a doctor who published research about it and the whole 9 yards. And you get it, and it's like, oh, will this thing work? Who knows? We talked to somebody, it worked. Drink through it like a straw, just like it looks. With water, it works. I promise you, it works.